Beautiful spring day in Seward. Gorgeous. I love Alaska in the spring. Just everything's blooming. Birds are chirping. So much life. Rejuvenation everywhere you look. Fantastic.
This would make material management a lot easier.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so Gerald, friend, you should be able to unmute yourself now.
So on these snares you got up there now, do those branches, as long as they're all level, they don't have to be parallel?
So Matt.
Oh, I love these moments.
Yeah.
I haven't done one in like 2 weeks.
We've been a little absent from social media the last week. Any life changes for you this last week or so?
My birthday.
Yeah. That's it? No other life changes? Did someone get a girlfriend?
I don't have a girlfriend yet.
You don't?
I don't think so.
When will you?
In 2 years. When we finish our home.
But do you want to maybe for future share some thoughts so then you could go back to this moment and, you know, if things work out, we have this conversation and it's documented.
Yeah, like we knew, right? Or
Well, I don't know nothing. It's you. You knew.
I don't know nothing either. She surprised me. She came up here for my birthday, completely out of the blue, and it was really neat. She's a good girl, super Christian. She's coming up here to work for the summer, so that's going to be very interesting to be like, almost daily, I guess, or however, at least once a week, be able to see that person, get to know them, and who knows, maybe by the end of the summer I'll have a girlfriend.
And that would make me in the market for a ski and climbing partner. So,
Hold on. She said that I can spend some weekends.
Yeah, no, because all week long we're going to be working, and the weekends Matt needs to be investing into his potential lifelong partner.
I can be skiing in the summer though.
Right, but we are still working in the winter, so I'm in the market for a ski and climbing partner. So if anyone wants to occupy that space, I'm your guy.
Because Matt's going to be busy. Beautiful spring day. The sun is still shining. So we did a thing today. We did a thing. Those are the completed ones. And the thing we did was that. It's a little bit more dry. Oh, there we go. Now the white balance is a little adjusted, but so we
got a layer of oil on this, and we're going gray. We're going gray. Just the first coat, just to protect the timber a little bit, because they're going to be sitting out here for a little while until we go to raising. But we kind of want to go cooler. We want to go a little cooler. So we finally have running water at our property, bro. That's such a relief.
It's so nice. Oh, wait a minute. That's our leaky shed.